All right, so I decided to make a couple plays. I don't think I'm going to do the Tesla low. Man, that's hard for me to say. However, I do want to go ahead and take some profit. So I figured instead of doing it, making the trades and then recording it afterwards, I'm just going to make the trades here in this video. So the first one is I'm going to take this SoFi win here. So we got an average credit of 32. It is now, people are asking 11. So we're going to go ahead and lock in a 21-cent average win, which will equal $21 and a 65%. So we are going to buy to close this. Since we sold to open it, we need to buy to close. So we are going to do one contract. I'd like to get this 10 cents, but no one's going for the 10. So, I mean, the low on the day is 11. So we're just going to go ahead and take the 11. Go ahead and pay the 11 so we can take the 21 for the profit. So you're paying $11 to buy back one option contract. This is going to release the $450 and remove us from our obligation to buy 100 shares at $450. So go ahead and submit that. And it was filled, so done. All right, so now let's go into here. SoFi put 0.21. Today's date, January 23 of 23. All right, so we went ahead and locked in. Wait, no, oops, did that backwards. That was a profit. We paid 11. Okay, that's better. All right, so profit was 21. We held it for 14 days. Annualized return would be 121. So that's good. All right, so we took that profit on SoFi, and I think I'm going to take an L on these cells here in order to take a win on these here. I think so. Let's just look and see. So 18 is the ask. That's the high of the day. Oh man, I really don't want to pay 18 because that'd be 6 times 4, so it'd be a $24 loss. We're taking a $24 loss to lock in a, let's see, 60. Well, I mean, 71 is the high, so I might be able to get 71. And I paid 138. Let's just call it 168 because that'll probably go through 168. So that'd be a 30 cents times the 3 contracts. That'd be a $90 win. So do I take a loss here of 26 to lock in a win of 90? That's a good. Oh, and then we're going to get on our stocks themselves as well. So we're going to make another $31 on that. So we'll make 120, and we're going to spend. I don't know, because I wonder what the ask is after the 18. You know what? Let's try it at 17. Let's try doing 4 at 17 and see what happens. We'll try 16. Let's try 16. No? Okay. All right, medium fill likelihood. All right, let's try that. So we paid 48, or we got 48 as a credit on here, or we're paying 68, so it's a $20 loss. Let's see what happens. Did not go through. Well, I don't know. Do we go to the 18? It's going to be the high for the day if we do that. There is one contract out there for 18, so that means there's going to be some behind it at 19. So that'd be 6 cents. That's tempting. All right, let's see if we can lock in some other profits here. So AT&T, we'll leave that alone. Marine, leave that one alone for sure. And let's call. There's really nothing to do with that one. I mean, it's. This TMC. I could, you know what? I could lock in these here for the metals company. So we got a credit of 10. Well, let's see. So we sold 5 contracts at 10 cents for $50, and we sold one at $10, and then we sold this last one at 5 cents. So to buy out of these, there's plenty of people willing to pay the 5 cents. So I don't know. I mean, that'll lock in. Let's see. So we have 7 contracts. 7 contracts at 5. So we're going to be paying $35 to get out of this. And what do we say we got? We got 70. So we'll be making 50%. So we'll make 35 bucks. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do 7 contracts at 5 cents. Review order. It's going to release 700 shares. Done. All right. So let's go back into here. We're going to say we paid 5 cents, which we did. 323. All right. So we locked in $30 in profit. It's not bad. Let's change that to close. I think we're going to do the same thing for this other one, dude. What was the other one that I did? Close. Cool. Let's see what the summer's looking like. So that's not too bad for 2022, 2023. I had some L's, but back in the black. We're no longer in the red, so that's good there. No, down. Ah, man, gonna pay a little bit more to get out of these. That is the question. I need this like dip, but that was in the morning that I got that dip. So that's the peak. About 10:30. Sitting pretty close to it now. You know what? Okay, let's just go ahead. Cancel, replace, continue. Wait, hold on. What am I doing here? All right. Go here. I want to buy to close 4 at 18 cents. So remember, so we're paying 72. However, we got 48. So what is that? That is a $24 difference. All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, done. So let's go into here. Nikola. Nope, been so long. Nope. 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 All right, so we're gonna do 18 cents is what we paid. 123. That's going to put our summer. It's going to put our loss back into the negative for 2023. All right, let's fix that. I don't know. For some reason, I just want to have some cash. So let's go ahead and lock in this profit here. So the high is at 71. So I don't know. Let's try 71. So we'll do 3 at 71. What was? That was probably right here that they got that 71. So I think 168 would go through. Let's try 170. 170. Darn. Should try 171. Oh well. 170 sold. All right. So let's go here. And go to this one. Exit price 170. You really need to have a spreadsheet like this. If anyone's watching and you're trying to keep it up, like you can't. You got to have something to keep track of your profits. So we held on to that for 45 days. We ended up doing a $96 profits for annualized return for 188. So all right, putting that buying power up there. I like that. But that's not what we can buy options for. That's just if we want to buy stock outright. If we wanted to buy options. We gotta look at the option chain. So we got 2272. So yeah. All right. Is there anything else we could lock in? I think that is it. All these others are losers. Now we could go ahead and take these $33 of profits, which I think we will do. Or do we sell another option for the 100 on that? Let's see. Well, up to the 24th. Let's sell a $3 option. It's up 7 cents. Our cost basis is what? I mean, it's not, our average cost is $2.39 for the 100 shares. However, we have made decent little profit on trading these a couple different times. So our cost basis is quite a bit lower. It's probably closer to $2. Man, this one expires in 4 days for 7 cents. Do I take that $7? That is tempting. Okay, all right, thanks. Oh, let me stop recording here. Okay, that's it until next time.